The standard Enigma comes to you in pieces so that you can customize your perfect fit. Once you have attached Enigma's faceplate to the mod wing, raven wing, or dark wing on your holster, you can start trying the 12 adjustment holes. We encourage new Enigma users to start with R2 and L3 if their waist is under 33 inches, or R2 and L2 for those over 33 inches. From there, you will want to make your own custom adjustments. First, you will want to determine what ride height and gun placement is best for you. You can do this by moving your unloaded gun in its holster around on your stomach. The goal with placement is to find the balance between comfort, mobility, and concealment. Everyone's body has natural peaks and valleys. Try to avoid putting your gun on a peak and instead focus on putting it in a valley. If you need the top of your gun to tuck more, you'll want to use the top row of holes. If you need more grip tuck, use a larger wing insert or use the holes closest to the grip of your gun. For right-handed users, this will be R3 or R6. And for left-handed users, L3 or L6. As you go through the customization process, don't forget to use your assembly directions and fitment guide. Please also visit the educational resources section of our website if you need further adjustment modifications. All of these resources can be found through the links or QR codes on the instructions card that come with every order.